Alright, then surprise us if you bite it. Rattle off it too. Put the clamp, put it over here.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life.
And active again another morning, my people. This morning, I want to start off the morning with some lovely fruits this morning. Some peach. You know? I'll look some peach this morning. Come on. So I'll go and find some. We can start the morning with some peach fruits. So I'll go and lots of apple right around me, people. You know what time it is. Yeah, man, I don't already know. Yeah, I have to do some apple pruning. Letting some sunlight on the apple them. Yeah, man, so them can ripe quick and fast. You know? Use the sun to help ripe them, different from the chemical that them are going to spray upon them, guys. Yeah, man. Show no what I go on. So this is what I go on. This way I go on with, guys. I'm telling you, so we are remove the young spring in them. Yeah, man, we are remove the shade from half of the apple them. I look on the left, but say you go. Same way. If we don't remove the shade, my people, the apple them now go ripe to perfection. So we have to do it like this. Yeah, man. That's how I go on. And no one know what I go on to. Today the day we are going to shopping. We normally call it payday, but we get paid from yesterday. But today, Friday, yeah, man, at the day where them allow we go do a little shopping and send a little money back home to the family. So you know, say today is a go slow day. Today one of the day where we not pressure ourselves. Yeah, man. So we are going to put in some work, you know, guys, and then we take you guys shopping. Man, them there in the road, we have a couple minutes to play with. You see me? Yeah, man, couple minutes to play with. Yeah, man, apple for days, man. First time I come and say, no, my people, I wonder when we are going to pick up so much apple. Look what I go on. Jesus, man, this is just one orchard, you know. Although I can't get free. Showing you all I go on. I have to go lift up the drone and I'm going to see. Who know overhead view of what I go on, people, you see it?
You just gotta be fearless.
So I go on. Them a play mid-September before all them a play already, you know, and check what I go on. Them have size already. You know them a get lots of water, fertilizer, work. So I go on. Yeah, man. Pull them pretty, man. Oh, God. So, my people, I say look before we go through and prune it. So I go and bush them and hide the apple. So, you know, when the sun come up, these branches are going to hide the apple from getting the sunlight. So this is the reason why we prune it, you know. And also the spray can able to reach the fruit instead of reach the springing. You know, you notice the springing a hide. For instance, say we want to spray up. These springing are going to hide. I go block the spray from go up on the fruits. Yeah, man. So that is the reason why them do pruning. And so I go on.
Them now nothing. When I see you, when we talk it's effective now, you know like me now, effectiveness. I read you. Effectiveness, man.
Guys, I wonder for me alone always pre that way. Yeah. You know me always say wish I did so every apple tree I'm short. Cause you ever I work in some orchard and the orchard elongally one type of way where you can barely set the leather. Me always say me wish I saw every apple tree did short. So you'd have come and you'd have work and you'd have go injury free. I'm going to show you the apple tree them. I want you to tell me one thing. Yeah, man, so I apple tree this girl can stay a ground and reach the top of the apple tree. But still look, it's short. You see the amount of apple up on the tree them. But when you have some tree, look all a post like this, when you have some tree tall gone up, way up past all 2 foot above all the posts, you know, you have to use ladder. Place Ilan Gully So that tilt over you drop. Broke your hand, broke your foot, broke 2 ribs. Yeah man, me believe so you treat them should have shot me people. Just like how you see them shot now. Me believe so them should have shot man. Could can't turn a ground. I remember me shot and I'm still, so just imagine a taller person can reach the apple. Yeah man.
Come with it, boy. Come with it quick, you know. Come with it.
Well, go on, my people. I want big one. This thing ready for strike at any minute, you know.
Man, see me, huh?
Want to see it?
See it? See it there? Ready for strike, could they?
Watch him.
Could they? Yeah, he make a nice picture, you know.
Watch him. Ready for strike, you know, my people.
He
Watch
big.
him.
Yeah, man, he big, man. Team big and ready to strike. Hold on. Hold on.
Boy,
Yeah,
my people nearly mashed me down a while ago.
Come through now.
He nearly dropping over my shoulder, you know.
You can't walk with that tonight, you have to kill him. You have to kill him. Come through, man. See his school. You have to kill him. You can't walk with that tonight. Faster. Come through, man. Work. I then say poisonous. Hold on me head. I then say poisonous if you bite it. Rattle off it too. What the clam put it over here? Rattle off. I thought the poison snake picture.
People, that was so breathtaking. I want to tell you, my people, I'm hurt with their work, you know. I prove my people, I only feel the tree shake and it's something just drop on my shoulder. But you have weight, when you see saying big, you have weight, so you never get the chance to even curl up around my neck, my people, I swear. Glad me escape. I always hear them say, them bite, them are them poisonous, I don't know. And it's a rattler, so I think I have to Google and check and see if I just escape death. You know? Yeah, man. John know my people. God there on my side today. All the while, always. You have to just keep on trust and believe in a Father God. My people, remember me telling them today shopping day, money day. So now we go up on the work and leave work and we're in at the superstore. Run, come grab some stuff, my people. So me, I go allow the guys and just pick up whatever, you know, because literally people are going for we cook together. So them are going to pick up the stuff them and me are going to do the video and what them are pick up the people, you know. So first, you know, we have to look some juice and snacks. So I go on pineapple ginger, mango juice. And we have to get some rough top as well, same way.
What am I?
Coconut powder milk, same, you know, we have to work with the thin one that we see. And we're in an international lane, you know, you see me? So yeah, over there so now, you have real foods. So we have strolled to our next aisle. See if we can pick up some stuff. We're good pan cooking aisle. Nah, I work with none today. Just need some ketchup. That is it. We work with ketchup today. See, the brand I work with today. See it? That is. Yeah, you know we have to work with a barbecue sauce.
Original.
Yeah man, we have to work with that one, yeah, original. See it? And we have to work with a chicken one as well. So two of them. See it? Yeah man, just a quick shopping, you know, people. And you know we have to head home, go get some rest back for the work of morning. Table area now we have to get some onion and cabbage and sweet pepper, you know. Onion for days, man. Yeah, man. Onion for days today, man. I try to go on this. That's how I go on. $2.94 a pound. Irish same way. We have to take up some Irish. That is it. So we are going to do now, we have to use the Irish like Canada, we have to use the Irish as yam. So this is what we call yam up here. You know, we have to take up some sweet potato as well. This is Japanese sweet potato, my people. It's a Japanese. I know that is need some time. See them people. You know this have to put in the rice and peas. And your meat same with the soup. Yeah man, so the time come down up here, you know. Oh, mint, anything you want. Need rosemary, anything. So them come down here, so. See it? Yeah man. Bala. So we are going, alright, this is how I go on in a cart, you know. You know, that's how we put the food them aside snacks. Thing is, my people, we already have some food stuff, so what we do, we kind of top up, you know, from food. Yeah, man, we kind of top up. So I go through and look what we don't have, just get what we don't have. Carrot. Life of a farmer in Canada.
Yo.
Scallion, you know.
Come and teach you to take up scallion.
Yeah, man. Breadman, I go teach him to take up scallion. Breadman is a farmer, you know, in a real life, so when he come down to them things, him know. Know what I go on. I forget to take up same way.
We can't find them lampy. Can't find one with it. Sweet one, huh?
Yes, them one is sweet one is the navel. Yeah, man.
No. Funny.
You see. Wow. Pear. Oh.
Your fruits in your body here. See them dust here? You have to eat healthy. Yeah.
We have broccoli or so. So I don't want to feel so we not eat properly, you know, my people. Go over sweet pepper side, you know. So I go on. Sweet pepper, everything.
And them this thing about them are green.
Apples. Man, man, so we try corn here and now we want some corn and now.
Fucking river visit me, man.
That is it.
You can show me 2 corn.
Wagon.
Show me a good one then. Alright, same thing. So you see, so you don't know what me I do. No buy the meat.
Yeah, my people. That's why it's good when you search it, you know. You don't want to buy this, see that? You bring it to them and you know good, so that's why we have to search them and make sure them good. Yeah, man, so we find one good one already. We have to put this tongue separate. See, that one they're good.
Yeah, sometimes now one that if you take it to bread, you can show me how to buy corn in Canada.
So we need a bag of flour. So I just walk go pick it up and people, me never can find myself loving Canadian flour. No, never can like it. I don't know, but we have to eat it. And this side all-purpose flour. Jano, I want the unbleached one.
Charlie, yeah?
So, last time we come shopping, them say them nothing no food stuff in the trolley, them only see snacks. Yeah, but this time them can't say them never see no Irish, no broccoli, no sweet pepper, no flour. We have rice out there, we have 2 bags of rice. So we don't need no rice. And we have corn. So we have sweet potato.
How are you?
This is boneless chicken. Do not need this. Fish there. You have sliced fish. Yeah man, let's see. Sliced fish. Got that one. People with over juice section, you know. Need to get myself 2 jugs of orange juice. Yeah man, I need 2 jugs. And my friend say I want one, so 3. See it? That one, yeah. Well guys, we are shopping, but them a call to say bus are going to leave. So we have to end the shopping short. And we have to go cash. We now can't be able to get everything we want with people, you know. So we just have to cash in now guys and just head to the bus and head home with people, you know. We just have reaching a pastry area and them a call it. So we have to go cut this shopping short with people. Sorry about that. You know, get to show them everything we did I pick up, you know. You know, me have to pick up a bread, you know. Yeah man, I have to pick up a bread. Can't left my bread. See it? Watch it. Can't even have no time to pick up some little snacks. We left them till tomorrow. Yeah man, so we have to just head to the cashier and go cash in. See it? Yeah man. We just cash in. I want to tell me how much of the things that they come up to my people. Everything. I don't know. Well, the food stuff we shop them together with the food stuff, but you know we have a personal stuff like this, snacks and stuff. Our personal stuff them there. But the food, all of we are going to come together and pay for them. So understand, like me I tell my people, cashier with them. We have to cut it short and cash in and head to the bus. Yeah man.